Hi everyone, are your Android apps crashing again and again? Let's fix it quickly. Step 1. Restart your phone. First, restart your phone. This clears temporary glitches and offers fixes app crashes. Step 2. Update the app. Go to the Play Store and update the app. That crashing. Outdated app can cause errors. Step 3. Clear app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, select the app, Storage and Cache, tap Clear Cache. Do not clear data unless necessary. Step 4. Update Android system. Go to Settings, Software Update, install any available updates to fix bugs. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If the problem continues, uninstall the app and install it again from the Play Store. And that's it. Your app should stop crashing now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more quick Android fixes.